Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is cast, a B2 level noun meaning actors in a play or movie, or something that has been given a hardened shape by being poured into a container. Let's explore this versatile word and unlock its many uses. So, what exactly is a cast? As I mentioned, it has two main meanings. The first, and perhaps the most familiar, refers to the group of actors who perform in a play, movie, or television show. Think of your favorite movie. The cast likely includes some very famous and talented people. But cast can also refer to something that's been formed into a specific shape by pouring a liquid substance into a mold and allowing it to harden. Imagine creating a cast of your hand using plaster or making a metal cast in a factory. Now, let's explore some synonyms for cast in its various senses. When we are talking about actors, synonyms include company, troupe, or ensemble. For example, the company of the play, Hamlet, received rave reviews. Or, the entire ensemble worked together seamlessly to deliver a powerful performance. Thinking about cast as something molded, a synonym is mold. We can say, the sculpture was created using a bronze mold. Another related word might be form. The factory uses a special form to create the metal components. Now, let's switch gears and look at antonyms. This can be a bit trickier because the antonym depends so much on which meaning of cast we're focusing on. If we're talking about the cast of a play, there isn't really a direct antonym. Perhaps you could think of it as an individual performer versus a group. But if we're talking about the cast as a molded object, then words like unmold, shapeless, or formless could be considered antonyms. For example, the clay was shapeless before the artist began sculpting it. Or the metal was still formless after it came from the machine. Let's see how we use cast in everyday life. Regarding actors, you might say, the cast party was held after the final performance. Or, I saw a movie with a fantastic cast. Thinking about molded objects, you could say, he had a cast on his arm after he broke it. Or, the dentist made a cast of my teeth. Here are some more examples of cast in sentences and phrases. The movie's cast includes several Academy Award winners. The director carefully selected the cast for the play. The sculptor used a cast to create multiple copies of a statue. The doctor put a cast on my leg after the accident. The factory produces metal casts for various industrial applications. The cast of characters in the novel is quite diverse. Now, to recap, cast is a B2 level noun with multiple meanings. It can refer to the group of actors in a performance or to something molded into a specific shape. Synonyms include company, troupe, ensemble, and mold, while antonyms depend on the context and may include unmold, shapeless, or formless. We've seen how cast is used in various everyday situations, from talking about movies and plays to describing medical and manufacturing processes. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you've found this exploration of the word cast both informative and enjoyable. Before we wrap up, I want to ask you to please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn more about the English language. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word cast and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see your creative examples. Keep exploring the English language, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.